Hello, welcome to another shipping container build. As you know, my container home is built now, but I'm working on the outside. You remember where my rain tank is? I wanted to show you how the front yard has changed over the months. Pig face seems to be thriving up here in the sandy soil, and it's taken over. I still have this massive tree, which is a bit of a problem as it does clog up the gutters, but we enjoy the shade it provides, and so does the clivia. We have some aloe vera and other cactus here thriving as well. What I wanted to show you was my pathway that I made out of old pallet wood and leftover pavers.